Greetings, everybody. This is SK123 here. Today I will be reviewing this LEGO City polybag set, Police Helicopter. First, I'd like to show you this female cop minifigure. She doesn't have a hairpiece, instead she has a helmet. She also has an impressive blue police pilot suit. It's nice to have her because I feel like I haven't seen a lot of females in polybag sets. Now let's move on to this helicopter. It's very well designed for a polybag set. It's also a very good size. At the front, you can see a yellow light and a blaster, I believe. While at the back of this vehicle, you can see a mini propeller and a red light. And at the top, there's a big propeller which spins well. Now, finally, I'd like to show you the cockpit. There's a circuit board for the pilot, and the designers of this set decided to put a very rare visor piece. I like it. Well, that's it for this set review. I would recommend getting this set wherever you can, whenever you can, and however you can. Until next time, see ya!